Hi, Homestead Weekly. So today I have a special trip I'm doing and I'm going camping, but the catch is I'm going truck camping with two dogs. So this could either be a disaster or a really good time. Let's find out. Okay, we're almost there. Hopefully I can get through the trail and everything. Okay, I made it to the trail. Hopefully this is the trail and I'm not like on someone's driveway. Okay, I made it to the site. So I'm just unloading all the stuff. And I got the dogs tied up now because they just want to run around everywhere. I can't keep chasing them down. Let's go get some wood. So it's a beautiful afternoon out here. Here's my campsite. Taking a little break from the gathering of logs. Lulu's loving the back. The big bed. You loving the bed, honey? Yeah, we forgot the pillow because you guys were distracting me. Okay, I got the fire ready to start, but it's super windy right now, so hopefully the wind dies down because I am getting hungry. Okay, now that I got my fire going, time to prepare some food and make some dinner. She's looking good. Soy sauce. I'm just walking along getting some wood. And I thought about going down this hill here, but it's way bigger than it probably looks on camera. And I don't feel like walking back up because I am getting tired. Okay, it's starting to get dark out, so I'm just gonna relax with the dogs. Okay, it's like 10 in the morning, woke up a little late. I'm trying to find my dog so we can leave. But it was a fun night. Oh, I see her out there. Definitely was a good time camping in the truck. So I think I'll do that again for sure. But if you like this video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to Homestead Weekly, and have a wonderful day.